Hey guys, it's the Power of the Stars, and today we're going to have another card throwing tutorial. So, we're going to do a card flick. This was included in our last video, but this is a video for people that already know how to card throw, so they can just flick the cards and they don't need to watch the last video and go through all of that card throwing stuff and stuff like that. Okay, so we're going to teach you how to do this. That is what we're going to teach you how to do today. Okay, the grip. So, put your pointer finger of your non-dominant hand on the bottom of the deck. Then put your thumb on one long side, which if you put it up like this, where your pointer finger's down, it should be the way that your non-dominant hand is on, and then your middle finger, your ring finger, and your pinky should be on the side where your dominant hand is. And then put your pointer fingernail on the side with your dominant hand on the side of your dominant hand, and then your thumb like this. Then all you have, and if you like this technique more, you can put your pointer finger here too. I prefer that technique too, with my pointer finger there, but you can also do it with your pointer finger here on the bottom. I may be a little better with that one. But, okay, and that's basically it for the video. I'll demonstrate it a couple times. Just do as shown on the video. Okay, I guess that's it for today's video. And see you next video on the Power of the Stars. Bye-bye!